Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are hey everybody. Today we are breaking down a good welcome series, and I will tell you how to make it a great welcome series flow. Let's get started. So this is from a brand called Kachawa. They are like a drink brand, not alcohol, but nutrition drink brand. You can say. The first email is delivered incentive. Here they welcome you, have a CTA almost above the fold, have a message from founder. They give you like bestsellers. They direct you to educational content about their brand rather than bestsellers. And if in this footer they have social proof, risk reversal, category links, and normal footer. This footer is consistent across all of their email. Second email is about one day after the first email. They give you a reminder that you have a discount and they educate on you on the brand and products. Here's the reminder, and there's a link to a blog that educates you, and we then have the same footer. In this third email, after one day, you have educational and nurture emails. It's purely education, which helps build goodwill and nurture them at the same time. This is purely educational. They tell you about their food, how they are scientifically backed, what in ingredients their different products and flavors have, and food is the same. Then it's reminder they have started to build urgency in this email, and we have social proof for nurturing. Reminder, CTA, and their reviews, social proof, their USP, and the footer is consistent. In the last email, they give you a reminder, obviously. They nurture you with education and social proof. Reminder, a normal. This part is almost consistent across their all emails. They educate you and showcase their USP with the help of icons, which is a great way, must say, to educate and make your emails more engaging. Then we have different CTS, and this is footer is consistent. One more thing, how I will make it better is by improving three things. I will make this flow longer. It just have five emails right now. It could be a lot longer, which gives the more, which gives us more time and opportunity to nurture the reader or customer. Second email should have the founder story of how he has some problem in your life, and in order to solve that he build this product. Third is text based emails, mostly at the end of the flow, to give that personal touch and also to remind them of the discount. That's it. If you think if you think you can make this email flow better in any way, feel free to comment or shoot me a DM and DMs on Instagram. I reply all to all of those. Bye.